Hello, good morning everyone. Once again, I'm Annabelle Polito Midel, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Our step-by-step tutorial for today is how to send eCash to eCash. Madali ang transaction po ito para po makapag-send tayo ng eCash to eCash. So reminder po, ang eCash to eCash po natin, ang charge is flat rate po from 10 peso to 50,000 is ang charge po, ang flat rate is 25 peso po. So maganda po. At ito yung natin, transaction. Go to our Unified Product and Services. Make sure lang din po may laman ang ating eCash bago po tayo mag-transfer, hindi po ba? So ito po, eCash to eCash is sending, is dito po tayo kay remittance. Remittance, under remittance is sending. So makikita nyo po diyan, eCash to eCash. From eCash to eCash, kailangan po yung reg code lang ng ating padadalan. So ating business partner for today na padadala natin ng eCash is G0725688. So make sure po tama, G0725688. So amount po na padadala natin sa kanya is 500. So transaction password is yan. So sana tama po. Ayan po, tama na po. So, ganun lang po kabilis. In just 1 minute, pwede po tayo mag-transact. Ang kagandahan po ito, automatic po papasok sa account ng ating binigyan or yung reg code na tinype natin. So, automatic po papasok yan. Hindi na po kailangan mag-receive or any verification para ma-accept. Automatic po, pasok agad sa account niya. So, ganun lang po at sana po nagustuhan niyo yung ating transaction for today. Once again, I'm Annabelle Polito Midel, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Good morning.